In this video, I will show you how to find your tracking number for USPS.com. So you can generally find your tracking number printed on your shipping receipt, or if you have created a shipping label using click and ship on UPS.com, you will simply find your shipping details and your tracking number in your email as they send the email for confirmation. And if you have purchased your items from online retailers, then you can simply look for the shipping confirmation from the retailer themselves. And one more way to find it is if you have logged into or registered as USPS Informed Delivery. Then if you simply log in, then you can view the image of incoming mail pieces and associated tracking number on your dashboard. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.